What's the meaning of compendious? Compendious. Compendious.
Compendious. Compendious. The word compendious is an adjective that means brief but comprehensive. It refers to something that is concise and to the point while still managing to cover all the necessary information. A compendious piece of writing or speech is one that is carefully crafted to convey maximum meaning in as few words as possible. This term is often used to describe academic papers, summaries, or other forms of written work where brevity is highly valued. In short, compendious means being concise while still conveying all the required information.